Imagine waking up with the sunrise, not in some luxury hotel or massive RV, but in a compact, hand-built camper attached to a tricycle. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, this is real. Meet Kevin Cyr's 2026 Tiny Camper Tricycle, a jaw-dropping fusion of art, minimalism, and freedom that's redefining how we think about travel and home. At first glance, it might look like a quirky art piece rolling through a city street. But take a closer look, and it's so much more. It's fully mobile, pedal-powered, and yes, entirely livable. In a world obsessed with excess, Kevin Cyr has flipped the script and created something so radically simple, it's impossible not to be fascinated. Every square inch of this tricycle camper is designed with intention. The outside? A rugged, industrial-style shell that screams durability and uniqueness. It looks like something from a post-apocalyptic film, yet it fits perfectly into today's urban landscape. And then you step inside. It's tiny, but cozy. There's a bed, shelves, and even room for your essentials. No wasted space. No fluff. Just you, your bike, and the open world. Kevin didn't just build a camper. He built a statement. A moving sculpture. A home that you can pedal through city alleys, park in hidden green spaces, and wake up in a different part of the world every morning. And the best part? No rent. No fuel. No parking fees. It's 2026, and while people are struggling with rising costs, one man is literally pedaling past it all with a grin on his face. What makes this even more incredible is how people react to it. Wherever it goes, the camper tricycle turns heads. People stop. They stare. Some smile. Some question. And some are inspired. Because it challenges everything we've been told about what home should look like. Kevin's creation dares us to ask, what do we really need to live well? And let's talk mobility. Most RVs need a wide road, gas stations, and maintenance. But Kevin's creation? It glides through bike lanes, weaves through traffic, and parks just about anywhere. It's freedom on 3 wheels. And when he parks it, it's not just a place to sleep, it becomes a story, a conversation starter, a piece of living history. This tricycle camper is more than just a tiny home, it's a movement. A rebellion against overconsumption. A dream for anyone who wants to live simply, cheaply, and independently. Whether you're a minimalist, an artist, a traveler, or someone just trying to escape the 9-to-5 grind, Kevin Cyr's 2026 Camper Tricycle hits something deep. So next time you're stuck in traffic, stressed about rent, or just craving more freedom, picture this: a quiet sunrise, a hot coffee in hand, and a tricycle camper waiting to take you wherever your heart wants to go. Kevin Cyr didn't just build a tiny camper. He built a new way to live. And maybe, just maybe, it's time we followed.